Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this aggressive shake on CapCut. So you can start by adding the clips that you want to edit, and then here you can click on the clips and go to animations and click on in, and then add the swing top left animations. Okay, just swipe until you find the swing top left. Okay, this one's right here, and then you can adjust it to around 0.3 seconds. Then click on the out animations and add the fade out around 0.1 seconds. Click on the check icon. Now go to effects, video effects, then find the oblique blur, and then add it to your clip, this one. Click on the check icon, and here you can make it as short as possible like this. And now you can click on adjust, set the blur to 70, and rotate to around 30. Click on the check icon and then copy it 3 times. Then copy again and move it to the side like this, side by side with the first effect, and set the blur. You can go adjust and set the blur to around 30. Click on the check icon, duplicate it 2 times, and move the last one at the top. Now for the last one, set the blur to only around 15. Click on the check icon, and now go back and add the video effects again. Find the shake effect, this one. Click on the check icon, and here you can set it for the whole clip. So put it at the bottom and set it for the whole clip like this. And now click on adjust, set the speed to 10 and the intensity to only 8. Click on the check icon, and now you can just go back, video effects, and then add the shake effect again. This one, but make it as short as possible like this. Put it at the beginning of the clip, and now click on the clips, add 2 keyframes, one at the end and one at the beginning. And here at the second or the end of the keyframe, you can just zoom in the clip, and you are done. So if you want to, you can also add grabs. So I'm going to add the ease out too. Click on the check icon, and here if you have more than one clip, you can just repeat the steps. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can add aggressive shake in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.